Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. So I wanted to talk about the SoundPEATS Air4 Pro, which is the newest earphones that SoundPEATS released this month. And these are going to be packing some really solid features that we should probably jump into. So make sure you guys stay locked into the end of the video. And if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So obviously these are going to have the Bluetooth 5.3. They're also going to be giving you lossless sound and AptX Voice with 6 mics that have CVC 8.0 environmental noise cancellation. These are also going to give you that multi-point connection and the in-ear detection as well. Because of the multitudinous nature of these earphones, they're going to be giving you so many different features that you're going to be able to use that it's going to actually be worth the $80 that you pay for them. The SoundPEATS Air4 Pro, we're going to come with the adaptive hybrid noise cancellation, the AptX Voice, as well as in-ear detection. They're going to be giving you a premium sound from Snapdragon, which is going to perform extremely good when it comes to the vocals, giving you a really good vocal call sampling rate at 32 kilohertz compared to like other brands which are going to be, you know, close to 16 kilohertz. And so they give you a high definition music playback of 96 kilohertz compared to designs that give you 48, for example. And then the low latency for gaming is going to be like 142 milliseconds versus like 88 or whatever compared to the standards. So these are definitely going to be, you know, pulling ahead of the competition, and they're going to be giving you a lossless audio with rich, like, you know, extremely smooth sound, which is going to appear CD like when it comes to the quality and the bit rate, for example. And so I just want to mention that these are going to deliver on the high end and low end extremely well and produce really good quality when it comes to outdoors and indoors, because they have that pass through as well as the ANC and environmental noise and things to that extent. And so they're going to give you 6 hours for a single charge with the ANC off, so you can get 26 hours with the charging case. And the case takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge. So it's not going to be too crazy to actually get to 100%. Hey, what's going on? So this is the microphones on the SoundPEATS Air4 Pro. And I'm outdoors right now. So this is what it would sound like if I was in an outdoor environment. So let me know what you guys think about the microphones. So when it comes to the differences between these earphones, the Air 4s and the Air 4 Pros, the cases are definitely differently shaped, for example, but they're pretty much going to give you the same type of performance. However, the Pros are going to give you that passive noise cancellation with the ear tips, making it, allowing you to be able to block out more sound when you have that actual ear tip to block out more noise and inside of your surroundings. And then the Air 4 Pros are going to pack transparency mode, whereas the Air 4s are just going to pack the ANC mode. So these are actually pretty durable as well. They do sustain falls extremely good. The case will actually protect the earphones, and you might get minor scuffs on the case if you drop it, but it's actually very sturdy when it comes to the build quality. So if you do drop it, I just want to mention that it will hold up very well. Now, these earphones are IPX4 rated for waterproof, so they will sustain water for workouts. If you take a shower, if you don't like sink them underwater, you're still going to be able to listen to the music, which is also going to be nice when using these, because they're not going to be full waterproof where you can go in a pool and actually swim with them, but you can actually be outdoors while it's raining and they can get wet. They also have a straightforward pairing process, and so the SoundPEATS application is going to pack a variety of different features to change some of the settings up. I just wish that they would add the ability to edit the buttons up so that you can switch buttons to which ones you prefer with the touches. However, you do get full control over every single function on these earphones, so that's really nothing to complain about. It's just a feature that I did, you know, hope to that they can actually add to these earphones in the future, because it would add to the overall customization as well. So, you know, I just want to throw that out there. But these will pack high fidelity audio to elevate the sound experience, and you know, they have cutting edge technology when it comes to the listening experience, because the way that they actually created these headphones, it was intended for you to hear the music as artists depicted it in their imaginations. And so it's going to be crystal clear detail with every single detail. You're still going to be able to hear like the cymbals in the background, but it's not going to be too present. So it's going to basically be like so subtle, and then you're going to notice the treble actually drags out for a long time, and then the bass comes in and out, and it just gives you a nice overall experience when it comes to the, you know, combination of all of those things, especially with the details of the Qualcomm technologies and how the engineers redefine the audio excellence. So they're going to give you seamless combination of noise cancellation technology, which is going to adjust to the surroundings for enhanced phone call quality. And so you're going to basically get environmental noise transparency mode, passive noise cancellation, as well as ANC noise cancellation. And so during listening sessions, you not only is the music going to be extremely clear and detailed and rich, and you're going to be able to basically hear every detail, it's also going to be, you know, very, accurate when it comes to the connection, because you're going to get a strong connection, like very low latency on here. So you can game at, very high graphics, and it's still going to keep up with the lips and the words. And you're also going to get the multi-point connection as well. And so that 13mm driver on here is going to provide pristine high resolution sound with powerful bass, wide dynamics, and it's going to redefine the way that you want to hear music. So you're basically going to want to put these in, and these might become your main headphones like going forward. When it comes to the battery life, you're going to be getting an ample amount of battery, 6 hours on normal mode, 4 hours actually on a single charge with the ANC on, and 26 hours with the case included. So it's going to provide long lasting use for extended music playback, phone calls, or entertainment, and prolonged usage. So you won't need to frequently charge these earphones while you're using them, which is going to be convenient. However, they won't have wireless charging, so I just kind of want to put that out there if that's a feature that you can't live without. When it comes to long listening sessions or using these for long durations of time, I definitely felt a really nice, comfortable fit the entire time I was using them. They have full touch controls, which is also very pleasing, and the fact that you can get all your touch controls, but the only thing that I wish is that they would add, reverse track back, so you can actually go backwards too on these headphones. Let me know what you guys think about the combination of features that the SoundPEATS Air4 Pro pack, and I'm going to check you guys later. But if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and just type "I'm still here" so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. I'll check you guys later. Peace.